Mapalana endungulebhola Lubombo Regional Football Association kuthi pengemsombululo levile ephelile la i-department lephasetula TD lasuka lethalatohlala la esigcaweni kuyashisa ke esigcaweni esigcaweni kuzokhona ku-survive kufunana siceda nje la thenga onke nangama-ice la kulamakhula boxes siwabhekise phansi ngoba kuyashisa sike nabo coach labakhona la ndakadla lebe bafundla we have two instructors being the technical director himself and Mr. Musamamba was also a co-instructor in this grassroots course. Sikhatheke ngalesihlanu lokho sinamhlanje siselangeni letophetha lo msebenzi. Sicela reporter kuwedlakazi nakilo bonke. We had 36 registered participants in this course. Only 30 managed to pass this course. Kuyakutshela ke lokho ukuthi it was not just a participation but bekhona lokho ukuthi umuntu ufuna sebenza. Akusho ke mhlambe lokho ukuthi labasele labangi-6 bona sebasele nomphela. Sivile ukuthi kukhona lokunye lokuphekekayo ngala. We believe that they will also get a second chance to also make it